Mommy, could you please come and play with us?
Sure, honey, I would love to.
Mom, come and see our tunnel.
Todd and Bruiser will not let me in.
Mom, come and check out our house.
Wow, guys, this is really beautiful.
Thanks, Mom. We're really happy you like it.
Hey, Mom! Is the milk bar open?
No, sorry, honey. I closed it a few days ago.
Mommy, can you tickle me? I am so happy you're playing with us. I love you, Mommy.
I love you too, Pumpkin.
Mom, can you tickle me too?
I'm so happy you are here playing with us. Thanks, Mom.
Help me, Mom. I need you.
What's wrong, honey? Are you okay?
I had a really bad dream
What was your dream about?
that I was never going to see you again.
Honey, everything will be all right. Let's play together.
Mom, I love you. You always make me feel better.
I love you too. Let's play.
Mom, is someone picking up Todd and we're never going to see him again?
Is that really true?
Mom, what is Tater talking about? Is there something important that we need to be aware of? Mom is there?
Mom doesn't want
I
to
love
tell
you,
us
Mom.
we're all leaving
Mom!
and we'll never see her
Don't
again.
leave us!
I am sorry. It's hard to say goodbye.
We're all going to miss you, Mommy. We love you.
If you'd like to see what happened to these little puppies, click the link below. Thanks for watching.